Hi guys, it's Ben from Roofline Solutions again, and we have just finished yet another really challenging project here in Canterbury. You can see the roof behind me here. It's a very old house, it's a very unique building. One of the options the client had was to put scaffold all around the building, but there just wasn't the access for it, and it was going to impede on the driveway and the neighbour's garden and the fence line. So what we were able to do is successfully restore this whole roof, which is about 350 square meters, using safe rope access techniques, slings, harnesses, and all the correct gear to keep us safe. And you can see from the before photos, the client had attempted to restore this roof once before and was left with a really poor quality job. So this time they took no chances, and we used Dulux Acratex range of products. And by using those products, we were able to give an absolutely superior finish, as you can see in the drone shots behind me. Once we were able to successfully pressure wash the roof using 4,500 psi industrial pressure washing machines, we used an etched primer to reseal the iron. But you can see that etched primer, it's actually like a membrane in itself. This is just a bit of primer that is dried on an old lid, one of the old lids, and you can see how thick and durable that is, and that's the first layer that goes on. So the whole roof turned into this sort of shale grey colour. Once that was dry, we then applied two, actually sometimes three coats of the top coat, which is the Acratex roof membrane. Look, this stuff is amazing. It's actually a membrane, not just a paint. So if anyone is going to tell you they're going to paint your roof, you're probably going to end up with a product like the client had, where it's really patchy and it faded really fast. If you're going to do it, you got to do it right. Use the professionals and use the professional products. You can see this membrane, once it dries, how thick it actually is. So we're not actually painting the roof, we're sealing, we're encapsulating the whole entire roof. Look at that. You can't even pull it apart. And that's, that is now what the whole entire roof is coated with, and that is like elastic. You can't, look at that. It is so strong. So now, it's taken us just over a week to get this one done. Really happy with how it came up. Again, you'll see the before and the after shots with the drone. And not only have we been able to successfully reseal the whole entire roof, but Dulux offers a 15-year product application guarantee. So this client, sleep easy knowing that their product, that their roof has got a 15-year guarantee on it, and their grandchildren will get the benefit of this roof. So really happy with how this one came up. And if you're looking at getting your roof restored and you want to save some money on scaffold, call the team at Roofline Solutions and we'll take care of you. Thanks again, thanks for watching, have a great day. Bye.